So sometimes client wanted to have a partner with a soap. So we actually partner Milk Brightening Bar and the Body BB Glow. So Milk Brightening Bar can also give you an instant whitening effect. But this one, you can actually use this one 2 to 3 times a week because it has micro beads, or it's actually a exfoliating bar. Okay. So it can lighten some of the dark areas of your body. Like you can actually use it underarm. Before, when we don't have any product particularly for the dark underarm, we actually advise this Milk Brightening Bar to our clients. And they gave us feedback, and they said that it can actually lighten their underarm. If you also have some back acne, if you also have some skin concern, because some of our clients gave us feedback that they have eczema or they have psoriasis, it actually improves with our Milk Brightening Bar. Okay. You can just use this one 2 to 3 times a week. You cannot use this every day because it can give you more drying skin. That's going to be the effect because it has micro beads on it. So it has Arbutin, which is actually, this is the one particularly block the production of melanin. It also has licorice root extract as well, same benefits of having Arbutin. It also has kojic acid, which is a natural skin brightener, and papaya extract, which is used as natural brightening agent. And it has antioxidant and vitamin A and C. So this is how this is the ingredients of our Milk Brightening Bar.